Hi, today I'm for the new VIVO V15 Pro and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So open first the settings application, then tap the home screen lock and wallpaper section, tap to the wallpaper, and here you'll see all of the default wallpapers. You could click to download more wallpapers from the internet or to use local images from your device downloaded from the internet, or just the pictures which you previously taken on your device camera. For example, let's select one from the default wallpapers. You could see the preview, then just tap to apply, set as lock screen. We could see the message that this wallpaper has applied successfully. And also I'll show you one more way how we could do that. Hold first for a while home screen with your finger, then on the left down corner you'll see the wallpaper, and by the same we could use here the wallpapers from the default ones. You could tap to the three dots and select one from the to download the wallpapers from the internet, or to use one from your local wallpapers. For example, I'll use this one. Just tap here to OK, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.